What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about the modulo in Python. Now, this says 9 minutes here. I'm going to try to do this in 5 minutes or less, so I won't waste your time. I'll get right to the point. So Python offers a companion to the division operator called the modulo. The modulo operator is indicated by the percent sign, and it gives the remainder of a division calculation. If two numbers are divisible, then the result will be 0. For example, if we have 29 divided by 5, we know that 5 is 5 with a remainder of 4. So you can go in, so 5 times 5 is 25, and then you just have a remainder. So it's basically a remainder, and your remainder is always going to be a lower number than the one you're dividing by. For example, if you have remainder or you're dividing by or modulating by 5, you'll have a remainder that's lower than 5. Same goes for 3. Like you have a remainder of 2. Same goes for any other number. So we can simply just do this. So let's get into this one here. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. And we can just same thing applies here. So 3 can go into 3 one time. Or sorry, it goes into it perfectly. Then 3 can go into 4 one time, and then you have that little remainder out of 1. And then 3 can go into 5 once, and then you just have a remainder of 2. And then 3 goes into 6 perfectly. 3 goes into 6 perfectly, but you have a 1 left over. So it's basically like that. So in each of these operations, 3 is the divisor. And again, it's everything I just said here. So because of this, the modulo operator is useful in programming when we want to perform an action every nth time something occurs. Imagine you own a small cafe and would like for every 7th customer to receive a survey. If every customer transaction is numbered in the order they occur, you can just determine which customer should receive the survey by calculating transaction number modulo 7. If the result is 0, hand out the survey. So let's say you are starting a new campaign for your online shop where every 11th customer gets 11% off in the order. For ease, you decide that the order numbers that are divisible by 11 will receive the coupon. Here comes order number 263. Find the remainder by calculating the modulo and storing it in order 263 remainder. So equals 263 percent 11, and then print it out. So we'll do print it out, and we get 10. Based on the values of 263, should this order receive a coupon? Create a new variable that assigns a yes if the order should get it, or a no if the order should get a coupon. Note, if you have prior experience with logic and programming, you might be thinking this sounds like a perfect place to use a control flow like if and conditional, but you're not wrong, but we haven't covered those yet. So let's take it slowly. And we know for a fact that the order coupon should be no, because it doesn't divide perfectly, right? So perfect, we got it. And then here comes another order, 264. Okay, let's see. Order number 264. Yep, 264, and then equals 264 modulo 11, and then print it out. So we'll do print 264R, and we get 0. Based on this, should we give them a coupon? Well, based on that, we should, right? Okay, that wasn't efficient, but coupon equals yes. There you go. That's how we do it right there. So modulo just finds, what the remainder is. That's basically the bottom line of it. If you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it right there. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.